Isaac Newton is a physicist and a mathematician, and is to have one of the greatest minds in all scientific revolution. Newton in his early years spent most of his extra time reading about philosophers. Newton also developed the principles of modern physics along with motion and mathematics. He published a book which has been claimed to be the most influential book on physics. I've never read it, have you? This book is called Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. The book offers a very descriptive wording about bodies in motion and the three basic laws. 1. A stationary body will stay stationary unless an external force is applied to it. 2. Force is equal to mass times acceleration, and change in motion is proportional to the force applied. And 3. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. These laws represent and explain how the planets can revolve around the sun. In the year 1693, however, Newton became a nervous wreck. No one knew why, but some people point to letters that he had received by acquaintances and friends who assumed Newton of betray. Toward Newton's final days, he was living near Winchester, England. At that time, Newton had become one of the most famous men in England. He was very wealthy and had a nice living. He didn't marry or have very many friends. One of Newton's more famous quotes, "If I have seen further than any other, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants." I feel as though this shows that Newton thinks that anyone can get to where he was if you try hard enough. Some other significant work by Isaac Newton includes the principles of conservation related to the momentum and angular momentum, the refraction of light, an empirical law of cooling, the building of the first practical telescope, and much more. I want to end this off with a quote by Isaac. "I can calculate the motions of the heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people." Thank you.